In this video, I'll show you why Super VPN is not working on your phone and how to fix it so you can connect without any issues. Before we get started, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN is faster, more reliable, and more secure than other VPN apps, so it's the best choice if you want a smooth and uninterrupted connection. If you see the message inside Super VPN saying connection error, please try. The first thing to do is check your internet connection. Many times, this issue happens simply because your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned off or not working properly. Make sure your connection is active and stable, and often this alone will fix the problem. Next, open Super VPN. You'll see an option to choose a country. By default, Auto Select is enabled. For now, don't manually select a country, leave it on Auto Select. Then, click Connect. Most of the time, leaving it on Auto Select and connecting again will establish the VPN connection without any errors. If the problem persists, you can reset the app. Long press the Super VPN app icon and go to App Info. Scroll down to Storage, then click Clear Data. This will reset the app, removing any corrupted settings that might be causing the connection error. Once the data is cleared, open Super VPN again and click Connect. You should see the app start connecting normally, and the error should no longer appear. Finally, make sure your Super VPN app is updated. Open the Play Store, search for Super VPN, and install any available updates. Running the latest version ensures that any bugs or glitches that could cause connection problems are fixed. After completing all these steps, Super VPN should work without any issues, allowing you to browse safely and securely. However, if you want a VPN that is consistently fast, reliable, and works without any of these common problems, NordVPN is the best option. It offers advanced encryption, servers optimized for speed, and full compatibility with all devices, so you never have to worry about connection errors or downtime. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy a secure, uninterrupted VPN experience on your phone.